Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I am going to show you how you can remove followers on a Facebook page. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook. So once you open Facebook, so it will take few seconds to load. Then you need to select your page and here you need to click on more and click on followers. And here you can see the list of your followers. So how you can remove that, so you simply need to click on three dots and here you can see two options: find support or report and block. The other option is block. Click on that. So once you block this person, that person will be unable to follow you in future. If you want to do that, you simply need to confirm. So this is the only method possible in nowadays to remove followers on our Facebook page. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.